Yes, you read it right. The apps that can make your Netflix experience on Android even better. Now, Netflix is an amazing app. You get options like casting, data saver, and whatnot. But then you know it right there that some things are missing. And in this video, we'll be talking about 7 Android apps that can help you fix those missing things without any issues. So, well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish. You're watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. So the very first app in the list is Instant Movie Ratings for Netflix. Now we all know that Netflix has a great algorithm running behind the scenes which always recommends you the best TV shows and movies based on your watching preference. And you see a percentage next to the title showing how much it matches your watching history. But that's it. You're left in a blind about how the movies or the TV shows performed. The smarter thing to do would be to install an app called Instant Movie Ratings for Netflix on your Android device. The app shows movie rating on your screen while you're browsing Netflix through a small bubble, and you don't even have to search for that particular movie. It's completely ad-free and promotion-free. Once you install and configure the app, it will read the Windows content of the Netflix screen you're on to obtain the name of the movie, and once the title is obtained, the app will show its IMDB rating on your screen. Simple and convenient. The next one in the list is Just Watch, and it is a must-have app for all the movie buffs out there. This app can be used to spot if a movie or a show that you want to watch is available on Netflix for you to stream. But what I like the most about this is that it gives you a timeline on the homepage itself with all the recently added TV shows and movies. When you install and configure the app, it will ask you to select your region and the streaming services that you are currently subscribed to. So just not for Netflix, you can also use this for Hulu, HBO Go, Amazon Prime Videos, and there are more of such streaming services in the list. Also, here's a cool tip. Using the filter section of the app, you can search for movies, recommendations. So let's say you want to watch a horror movie with a good IMDb rating released in the last couple of months. Just set the necessary filters and you are good to go. So the next app in the list is Rave for Netflix and YouTube. And man, this is one of the coolest and out of the box app in this list. This app makes it easy for you to watch and enjoy Netflix shows with your friends or family even when they are not in the same home, city or even the continent. A person can create a personal stream, which is also called Rave, on this app, or join one available from the friends list. There are also public channels, but you can explore them once you are familiar with the app. Now, after the video starts and your friends join in, everyone will watch the exact same stream. You can chat, interact, and send voice messages just as you would while you're watching the movie or the video in the same room. The app also supports various other streaming services, including YouTube. Moving on, the next app or apps in the list are suitable VPN services to unlock the global content. Now, if you're not browsing Netflix from the US, you must have noticed how different the catalog is from the rest of the world. Like for example, due to licensing issues, many titles that are available in Netflix US are not available in Netflix India. So to bypass that restriction, you'll have to use a proxy or a VPN, and it just fools Netflix to believe that you are actually browsing from a US location. There are many VPNs available on the Play Store, but not all of them are compatible, and there are just a few that you can trust when you are going with two words, free and VPN, in the same sentence. So if you were looking for a completely free service, VPN Hub can help you out there. With unlimited and comparatively fast US-based VPN service, you can easily browse and stream global content on your phone. But if you're looking for a paid subscription, you can also try apps like Hotspot Shield, ExpressVPN, and even TunnelBear for that matter. You'll be shocked to see what all were you missing out on the same Netflix platform. Now moving on, next app in the list is VidAngel, and it's a must-have app if you watch random Netflix movies with your family, especially kids. The app lets you skip and mute any objectionable content with just a single tap. This app has some of the most popular titles available under the filtration system, which can be used in 3 ways. You can skip or mute content from the entire category like language or violence, or you can skip or mute content from subcategories such as profanity or only the graphic violation portion of the violence category. You can also skip or mute content from individual filters including specific words or certain scenes. Once you make a selection, the special stream will be ready for you and you can just sit back, relax and watch the show with your kids around. Now there are two things to note about VidAngel, and firstly you'll have to pay not a $9.99 every 30 days to use the service, but the first 30 days are actually free. And secondly, you'll have to connect your Netflix account through your username and password. The next in the list is secret movie categories for Netflix. And using this app, you can find hidden movies on Netflix in all genres. The app is going to show Netflix secret movie categories to you. And this helps you to find what to watch on movies and shows across all the genres. Just tap on the genre items such as anime or horror and select the subgroup that you want to have a look at. And the app will redirect you to just those movies through Netflix app. Now the app is completely free to use, but then there are limitations in the number of categories that you can watch. But if you go for the unlocked, or that's called the pro version, you'll have all the categories through this app that you can browse on Netflix. Now finally, the last app in the list is Unified Remote, and well, this is an Android app which will help you to watch Netflix movies if you're streaming it on your Windows PC or let's say Mac or even Linux. Now what the app does is it acts as a wireless remote for your PC or Mac, and if you are streaming Netflix through browser or even the Windows app, you can play it, pause it, move 10 seconds forward. It's basically a remote for your media center. So if you're watching Netflix movie through your Windows PC or your Mac or your Linux, make sure that you install this particular app. Now in the free version, you have to configure the remotes manually because the Netflix remotes are a part of the paid version. But if you can just spare $1 or $2, you can download dedicated Netflix remote, and more than that, you can actually download Hotstar, even Plex remote through this particular app and watch your videos seamlessly on your PC. So friends, these were some cool and helpful apps to make your Netflix experience even better on the Android device. Now if you like the list, please do give us a thumbs up. If there are any other apps that you want to recommend us, please do drop us a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do hit the subscribe button right now. So well, that's all in this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.